Today we're going to be making cinnamon swirl banana bread. So all of the ingredients you probably already have at home. We have sugar, flour, baking soda, butter, eggs, bananas, a little bit of vanilla, and then you swirl that in with some ground cinnamon, some brown sugar, some more butter, and some regular sugar. So the recipe calls for an entire cup of butter, so we're gonna melt that first. So first we're gonna whisk in the sugar into the melted butter. Mix that all up. Eggs. And then you need a teaspoon of vanilla. Add a teaspoon of baking soda. Then you're gonna slowly mix in just little bits of flour at a time. So apparently you're not supposed to use a mixer with banana bread. I don't know if that's true. Somebody fact check it. Then you're going to take 4 bananas and mash them up with a fork. You have banana mush. Then you're going to slowly fold in the mashed bananas. Just until it's just mixed enough. Don't go too crazy. Now you're going to put in 3 tablespoons of sugar. And then you need 3 more tablespoons of brown sugar. 2 tablespoons of cinnamon. Then 2 tablespoons of melted butter, and then use your fork to mix it all up till it's nice and thick. Then in a loaf pan, you're gonna spread about 1/4 of the mixture evenly on the bottom. You're gonna wanna grease the pan up and put a little bit of flour in it before you put your mixture in. Then you're gonna put about 1/4 of the brown sugar cinnamon mix onto that layer of banana. And then using a fork, just gonna lightly swirl it around. Get all those yummy cinnamon bites. And you're gonna put about 1/3 of the rest of your banana batter in. And same thing, about 1/3 of your cinnamon mixture. A little more. And then take your fork and swirl it in. Take about 1/2 of what's left of your banana bread mixture. Put that bad boy in there. Mix it. And 1/2 of your cinnamon. Probably not 1/2. That's probably better. Swirl it in. Then the last of your mix, spread that on there too. And take the last bits of your cinnamon, put them on there. Then because we're fancy, we're gonna slice up another banana and put it in the top for a little garnish. What did you just say? Did you say, oh brother?
Yes. Yes, I did.
You little snot.
That's me.
Okay. Stop. Now you're going to put your loaf pan on a baking sheet. Pop it in the oven at 350 for about 60 to 70 minutes. Dun 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 dun. It's done. Gonna take it out of the oven. Can I do this with one hand? I don't know. Yes. So pretty. We're gonna let it sit for about 30 minutes in the pan, and then we're gonna take it out, put it on a wire rack, let it cool. So our banana's sunk in a little bit. We've called in for reinforcements because I'm too scared to take it out of the pan. All right, let's see what happens. We also didn't have a cookie sheet, so we're improvising a little bit. Boom.
Beautiful, sister. Beautiful.
All right, we got banana bread. We excited?
We're excited.
We're excited. I don't know if it tastes good, but
Looks good.
it looks good. She looks pretty.
Very pretty.
We like it. See ya.